A Jyotirling is a shrine where Lord Shiva is worshipped in the form of a fiery column of light. Jyoti means radiance and Lingam means the mark or sign. Hence Jyotirlingam means the radiant sign of the Almighty. Let's explore one by one the 12 traditional Jyotirling shrines in India. Somnath Temple in Gujarat. Believed to be the first among the 12 Jyotirling shrines of Lord Shiva, the Somnath Temple is located in Prabhas Patan. It is considered to be one of the most important pilgrimages in India and a great tourist spot in Gujarat. Somnath means Lord of the Som. The history of Somnath Temple is interesting, as according to the legend, the temple was created by the moon god himself. This sacred place of worship has been destroyed and rebuilt 16 times. Kashi Vishwanath in Uttar Pradesh. Dedicated to Lord Shiva, the Kashi Vishwanath Jyotirling is located in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, with the temple standing on the banks of holy river Ganga. Called the holiest of Shiva temples, Vishwanath means the ruler of the universe. This is the temple where a Hindu is expected to make a pilgrimage at least once in his life, and if possible, also pour the remains of cremated ancestors in the holy river Ganga. Mahakaleshwar in Madhya Pradesh. Sri Mahakaleshwar Jyotirling is situated in the ancient city of Ujjain in Madhya Pradesh. The idol is known to be Dakshin Murti, which means that it is facing the south. This is the only lingam out of the 12 which is believed to be Swayambhu, that is self-existing or generated by nature. On occasion of Mahashivratri, the Lord Shiva devotees worship whole night along with a huge fair organized in the temple. It is believed Shiva, the deity of time, has its blessing on the city of Ujjain. Mallikarjun in Andhra Pradesh. Sri Mallikarjun Jyotirling Temple is located at Sri Salem in Andhra Pradesh. Lord Shiva is the deity of worship and Mahashivratri is the most important festival celebrated at the temple. According to the mythological story, Shiva and Parvati stayed in Sri Salem in order to remain close to his son Kartikeya, who had decided to stay alone on Mount Kravanch. Mallikarjun Jyotirling is one of the 275 Padalpitra Sthalams that are amongst the greatest Lord Shiva temples in Asia. Adi Shankaracharya composed his Shivanand Lahari here. Omkareshwar in Madhya Pradesh. Omkareshwar Jyotirling, one of the 12 worshipped Jyotirling shrines, is situated at Mandhata, an island in Narmada River in Madhya Pradesh. The name Omkareshwar is based on the shape of the island, which appears to be Om. There are two main Lord Shiva temples here, Omkareshwar, which literally means Lord of Omkar or the Lord of the Om sound, and the other is Amareshwar, which stands for Immortal Lord or Lord of the Immortals or Devas. Kedarnath in Uttarakhand. Kedarnath in Uttarakhand is referred as the northernmost and the closest Jyotirling to Lord Shiva's eternal abode of Mount Kailash. Kedarnath, nestled in the snow-clad Himalayas, forms a part of the smaller Char Dham pilgrimage circuit of Hinduism. It is accessible only for 6 months a year. It is also one of the 275 Padalpitra Sthalams. Shiva assumed the form of wild boar and dived into the earth at Kedarnath to emerge at Doleshwar in Kathmandu Valley, Nepal. Pure ghee is applied at the Kedarnath Lingam as the boar was injured. This Jyotirling temple is considered to be the most difficult one to visit by Lord Mahadev Bhakts. Located at the height of 3583 meters from Rishikesh in Uttarakhand, Kedarnath temple has extreme weather conditions. It was built by the Pandavas and revived by Adi Shankaracharya. Bhimshankar in Maharashtra. Bhimshankar temple is located in Pune in the state of Maharashtra. It is also the source of river Bhim in the Bhimshankar hills in Khed Taluka. Built in the Nagara style of architecture, this temple dates back to the 18th century. According to the legend, it is believed that the ancient shrine was erected over a Swayambhu ling or a self-manifested Shiva. Baidyanath in Jharkhand. Baidyanath temple or Baba Baidyanath Dham or simply Baba Dham is one of the most sacred abodes of Lord Shiva. This Jyotirling shrine is located in Devgarh in Jharkhand. According to Hindu scriptures, the demon king Ravana worshipped Shiva at the current site of the temple to get the boons that he later used to wreak havoc in the world. Ravana offered his 10 heads one after the other to Shiva as a sacrifice. Pleased with this, Shiva descended to cure Ravana, who was injured. As he acted as a doctor, he is referred to as Vaidya. From this aspect of Shiva, the temple derives its name. Ramanand Swami in Tamil Nadu. The Ramanand Swami temple or Rameshwaram Jyotirling temple is situated at the Rameshwaram island in Tamil Nadu. According to Hindu mythology, the Jyotirlingam was made by Lord Rama himself to make amends of killing Ravan, a Brahmin in the battlefield. He asked Hanuman to bring a lingam from Kailash, but as it was getting late, he worshipped the lingam made of sand by Devi Sita. It is believed that a like lingam is placed in the center. Nageshwar in Gujarat. Nageshwar Jyotirling temple is located near Dwarka in Gujarat. According to the Shiv Puran, Nageshwar Jyotirling is in the Daruka Van, an ancient forest in India. The Indian mythology suggests that Lord Krishna used to perform Rudrabhishekam here. Triambakeshwar in Maharashtra. Another Jyotirling shrine in Maharashtra is Triambakeshwar Shiva temple located in the city of Nasik. The temple lies at the foothills of Brahmagiri mountain. According to Shiv Puran, on request of the Godavari and Gautam Rishi, Lord Shiva decided to reside at Triambakeshwar. It is considered to be a unique Jyotirling which has 3 faces, symbolizing Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva. The Jyotirling is covered by a jewelled crown which is placed over the golden mask of the 3 gods. Last but not the least, Krishneshwar in Maharashtra. Krishneshwar temple is one of the 12 sacred Jyotirlings mentioned in the Shiv Puran. It is located in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Touted to be the last or 12th Jyotirling, Krishneshwar means the Lord of Compassion. The Krishneshwar Jyotirling temple is built of red rock and composed of a 5-tier shikhar. It is also the smallest Jyotirling temple of Lord Shiva in India. This was all about this video. If you learned something new today, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also, hit the bell icon to get the latest notifications. If you have some suggestions or questions, then feel free to comment below. Thank you for watching.